You better tell the dude with the camera that he's right in the middle of the pit, because this thing is going to be 50 feet long. All of you, if you don't want to be in the pit, get out right now. You ready? You ready? Yes, y'all. This is how we're going to do this. I watch how the moon sits in the sky in the dark night, shining with the light from the sun. The sun doesn't give light to the moon, assuming the moon's gonna owe me one. Makes me think of when you act to me, you do favors it rapidly. You just turn around and start asking me about things that you want back from me. I'm sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you and the look I owe you this. Find another place to reach your greed, we'll find a place to rest. I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. Just like you and snap off people like you do. But run away other people I thought I knew. I remember back then who you were. Just to be calm, just to be strong, just to be generous. But you should have known that you wear out your welcome. And now you see how quiet it is all alone. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you and I owe you this. Find another place to meet your greed, we'll find a place to rest. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you and I owe you this. Find another place to meet your greed, we'll find a place to rest. I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy, a place for my head. Right now, what we need to hear from you guys is we need you to help us out with this next part. And all you need to do is say the words "go away." We got that up top? We got that up top? People on the floor, we clear? Do it like this.
Yeah, try to take the best of me. Go away. Yeah, try to take the best of me. Go away. Yeah, try to take the best of me. Go away. Yeah.